Hey everybody, hope you're good. My name is Abby. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch one of my videos. So today is going to be a quick Glossybox video. If you noticed, I didn't do one for April, and that was mainly because I didn't receive my Glossybox. It was posted out, but it never got to me, and I had to basically fight to get my money back for that month. And also Feel Unique, because of the quarantine, feelunique.com, because I actually wanted to do another video on my own bespoke sample, so I'll link the video where I showed you a Feel Unique a sample pack, or like a sample pouch. That's where you pick your own selection of 5 products and you pay £15, and you also get to refund about £3.95 of that, which is what you pay for shipping, towards any purchase you make on Feel Unique. So that sounded like a really good deal, and I thought I'd do another video for April, but then because of the quarantine lockdown thing, Feel Unique cancelled their sampling service, because obviously they had so many orders online. They wanted to focus on actual orders rather than selling samples rather. So yeah, so I didn't have any video to show you on either subscription box. Anywho, I'm here now, and it's May, and I just received my Glossybox today, so I thought I'd open it in front of you guys and we'll find out what I got together. Hope your day is going good wherever you are. I hope you've been resting and, you know, staying safe and all that jazz. So I've tried not to watch any videos yet, so I'm not sure. Comment down below if you got your Glossybox early or late. So I had a message last week saying, I had an email basically saying that I wasn't going to receive my package until about the 16th. And what is today? Today's the 11th actually. So it's about 5 days or 4 days later than I normally get it. I think they normally post it out on the 7th or somewhere thereabouts. To most people, at least that's when I used to get it. So it's about 4 or 5 days late, I think, but that's okay, obviously, considering that there are just so many online orders going through right now, so it's not too late. So yeah, do comment down below when you received yours, and as soon as I upload this video, I'm definitely going to watch to see what other people got, because if you're not familiar with Glossybox, sometimes they do variation boxes, and you know, on the box on the outside they'll tell you what variation you got. So my one is variation 10 actually. Oh wow, 10. Okay, so I'm guessing, are there 10 versions of this? I don't know. 10 BED. I don't know what that means. And also, if you're not familiar with Glossybox at all, if you just like watching my videos or you've just come across my channel, Glossybox is a subscription service where you get a mixture of makeup and skincare, and sometimes hair care as well. So you do pay a set amount for it, and they have different tiers in terms of how much you pay. What I subscribe to is the monthly rolling subscription, where you just pay for the month. You have a set time to cancel it, and if you cancel it, you're not going to pay for the next month. Basically, it's on a pay-as-you-go basis. And they also have a quarterly and a 6-month and a yearly. Basically all the description, so all the information you need will be in the description box. I never really remember what it is. All I remember is the one I pay for, and I know I pay for a monthly rolling. So you do save more money the further out you pay. So if you got like a yearly subscription, you might end up paying like £9 instead of £13 if you paid on a monthly rolling, but it's up to you. So I'll leave all the information in the description box. So this is what I got, and it's quite a nice package. Actually, I don't normally go for leopard, or is this leopard? I'm guessing, yeah, this is kind of leopard, isn't it? And this says Wild Thing. Yeah, so that's the theme for this month. So this is what we have in the package, and I quite like these subscription boxes because they're just like a little present that you get when it's not your birthday. So it's a nice little treat, especially now they're all locked down and we're all kind of looking for things to do. It's a nice thing to expect in the mail. Yeah. Okay, so these are all the products I got, and I have a card. Usually the card will tell you what the theme is and a little bit about the products. Sometimes you get samples, other times you get full size, so depending on the actual product itself. So the message here says, "Hey Glossies, this May we're embracing our wild side with 2 special design boxes, and you've just received our Leopard Wild Thing edit featuring 5 full-size products." That's quite nice. This box will introduce you to an array of sassy beauty must-haves that make you feel fierce and free. We're talking sultry eye makeup, animal print beauty tools, taming skincare, and more to help you rule your urban jungle. Unleash your inner feline, Glossies, and show the world who's boss. So the first thing is from a brand we regularly get. So this is from a brand, from the brand Steve Laurent, and it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so it looks fairly neutral in the image, which is here. So this is what it is. So it's not too big. This will come in handy on like one of those days whenever we do end up going back to work. If you have like a night out and you need to do your face at work or something, you know, that kind of thing, or just to quickly do your face and you don't want to be rifling through a drawer full of eyeshadow palettes, this would be a nice thing, I guess. I'm hoping the formula is a nice formula. So it's fairly neutral. So it's a nice packaging, has the name Steve Laurent, and these are the product, color options. I'm not sure if I want to swatch it yet. I'll see. I'm not sure because I mean I do have a lot of neutral palettes and I just have a lot of eyeshadows in general, so I'm not sure if I'm going to swatch this, but it is a nice color story and it's good for those who are not really familiar with makeup, or if you just don't like color too much, it's a good thing to have. And the packaging has a bit of weight to it as well, so it doesn't feel cheap, so I quite like that in that. Next we have something from UB Cosmetics. This is their True Glow Skin Illuminating Stick. This is the packaging. It's really nice. Quite like this. And it is an highlighter stick. I feel like we've had a brand with some of the packaging to this, and I think it might have been maybe like a blush type of product, I want to say. So this packaging is really cute actually. I quite like it. So it's like a champagne colored highlighter. Okay, next we have, okay, so there are 3 options in terms of which mask you'll get. So this is a mask from the brand OK, and OK is a Korean brand. So this is the SOS printed sheet mask. So it says, channel your inner spirit animal with these fun sheet masks filled with skin loving ingredients like tea tree, witch hazel, willow bark, and charcoal powder They work to calm, tone, and balance your skin for a clearer and healthier looking complexion. Apply yours onto a clean face for 10 to 20 minutes, then gently peel it off and massage into the remaining serum into your skin. So the RRP for these masks is £4 and it sells on Look Fantastic. So let's see which one I got. Okay, so I got the bamboo charcoal detoxifying and pore tightening mask. I think I'll keep this for myself. Yeah, this would do. Let me just read the ingredients really quickly. I'm always skeptical about like charcoal in skincare these days, only because I know it doesn't work the same way. I wonder if it works like a clay, but I know it doesn't work to detoxify your skin, because that's not going to happen through your skin. So just buyer beware. Detoxification tends to happen through your kidney and your liver, that area, like through the internal parts of your body. So usually when in skincare they mention detoxifying, it's probably just, you know, just helping you get rid of like excess oil and sebum and whatever is trapped on the outer layer of your skin. You're never really going to detoxify through your skin, from what I know anyway. But it's a good enough mask, especially for my skin type. So I have oily skin, and yes, oily skin, if you have maybe congested pores, you might want to try this and see if this helps to draw out some of the gunk or impurities or hardened sebum, dirt, things like that. You might want to see if that helps. But yeah, so I'll leave that there. So next is a product from Mudmasky, and I do love Mudmasky products. The brand is really, really good. I haven't actually bothered to actually research too much into them, but the products I've received from the subscription boxes I've received, they've been really good. I've received 2 different types of sleeping masks from them, and they've both been really, really, really nice. I prefer one over the other, but they're both actually really nice. And their products apply really well. So this is a hair mask and scalp treatment and miracle shampoo. Okay, so it says tame your, this is what it looks like. So it says tame your dry, damaged and frizzy mane. This mane with this newly launched 3-in-1 hair care treatment formulated with Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan mud and flowers. It first moisturizes the skin on your scalp, then repairs, hydrates and strengthens your tresses. Massage it onto your wet scalp and hair, leave it for 1 minute, then rinse. You have beautiful healthy looks in no time. RRP £21, and you can get it from mudmasky.com. So this is like a treatment, I'm guessing like a conditioning treatment type of thing. Oh, it's sealed. Let's see. So it's like a 3-in-1, like a conditioning shampoo, I want to say. So it says it's suitable for all hair types which need special care and attention, and especially for damaged hair after a chemical treatment, dyeing, bleaching and permanent waves in brackets. Repairs, hydrates and strengthens the hair's inner fiber structure. Intensive treatment for an irritated, itchy scalp. Controls dandruff, and it's made by scientists in Amsterdam, PETA certified. Free from parabens and sulfates. So I think I will use this actually. It's almost like, it's unusual that you would leave a shampoo in your hair. Usually you just use shampoo to wash your hair and rinse it out, and then you leave your conditioner. So this is like a conditioning shampoo, and it'll be good for like dry scalp, I suppose. Obviously my hair is not colored, I've just had the big chop, so my hair used to be relaxed, chemically straightened. So, and now this is my natural hair, so I will use this because I do get like dry scalp. So that would be nice actually, that would be nice. And then lastly we have something from Dr. Paw. So this is their outrageous orange balm. So it says don't let painful dry chapped lips stop you from living your wildest adventures. Just show you what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you've seen this everywhere. Why would this focus? Created from a blend of pawpaw fruit, aloe vera and olive oil, this vegan and cruelty-free lip balm leaves your palate feeling soft, hydrated and nourished wherever you go. Plus it boasts a vibrant orange hue that just screams confident woman. RRP £6.95. And the Mudmasky, by the way, I don't know if I said, was £21. So yeah, so this is something I can actually try now. I have bought like 2 other lip balms. I feel like I'm on a lip balm binge right now. My lips are just constantly dry these days, so I'm going to try this. It's a massive tube though, it's like next to the size of my head. It's quite a big one, and I don't mind the fact that it's got an orange tint to it, so let's hope it suits me. Oh wow, this is really orange. Oh, this, okay. I'm gonna wipe the lip balm off my lips and see. Okay, so my lips are naturally very dark in color. So it adds a bit of a tint to them. Yeah, this feels hydrating. It's not like, yeah, it feels hydrating enough. I think I have used like one of Dr. Pawpaw's lip balms before. I just can't remember what it felt like. My husband uses them a lot though, but yeah, I'll keep this for myself actually because it is tinted, but and adds a bit of color, so not too much, which is what I was scared of, but it looks really orange coming out of the tube. But yeah, so that's all the products I received from my Glossybox. I'm quite happy with it. I'm shocked at some of the prices, that some of the prices are trying it, but a lot of these products I can actually use. I'm not sure if I will use this eyeshadow though. I will say that, because it's not, as compact as it is, it's not something I need right now, and I don't want to swatch it just in case I can sell it. So I'd rather keep it. And again, like I said, the highlighter, I might not need it, so I'm tempted to depop this as well. But that's everything I got. Hope you're doing well, keeping busy, keeping sane, and watching loads of box sets, because that's what I've been doing right about now. And yeah, watching loads of YouTube as well, and also trying to figure out what skill I want to come out with at the end of this lockdown. Thinking I might do some training courses or something, I don't even know. Like, comment down below, let me know what you're doing during lockdown as we speak. And until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night, wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.